Welcome to AAI Oriental Mix. Today we'll make a healthy homemade Lebanese bread with dill. Let's go! In a bowl, add 75 milliliters of water, a sprinkle of salt, around 1 teaspoon, 38 grams of sourdough, or you can use 7 grams of dry yeast, followed by a teaspoon of honey or date sugar, which is helpful against diabetes. Mix until the sourdough is melt, and then add 135 grams of whole wheat flour. Now mix well until you get a smooth and homogeneous dough. Do you like cooking? I do, and I like to share my recipes with you because cooking brings us together. You can also send the recipe to someone who loves bread, like me. You can switch from the bowl to a table, such as the table it's easier for kneading. Where are you watching me from? Let me know in the comments. You can make sourdough by using a piece of the dough we are preparing. If you like the recipe, please let me know. A smooth dough like that. You can make it a ball, put inside the bowl, and cover it with a towel. Then let it rest for 10 minutes in a dry place. Take your dough back and add as much dill as you like. Then knead a bit for incorporating it. Now add 1 teaspoon of olive oil. And knead all the ingredients until smooth and homogeneous. Shape the dough like a ball for helping it rise. Place it inside the bowl and cover it. Leave it in a dry and warm place, like an oven turned off. Let it rise for 3 to 12 hours depending if you use dry yeast or sourdough. Put a sprinkle of flour on the table. Bring back the dough and look how much it has risen. Divide the dough in 2 portions. And form 2 balls by stretching the dough. You can do that by using the friction between your hands and the dough. Let the balls rest for 10 minutes. Sprinkle some flour on top of the ball and flour the rolling pin. Now roll out the balls into flat discs. Make sure it doesn't stick. If it does, just add a bit of flour. Until it's about 1 cm thick, and repeat with the other bread. Let the discs rest for 10 minutes and heat a pan over medium-low heat. Once hot, put the bread inside. Be careful, don't overcook it. Just flip it to the other side, about every 30 seconds for 4 times. Once cooked, place it inside a towel to keep it warm, and then repeat with the other discs. Finally, our bread is ready. It smells amazing and it is very soft to the touch. And it tastes delicious and healthy. Shukran for watching. Leave a comment about your slimming journey, we'd love to hear your progress. Subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next healthy bread recipes. And I'll see you in the next video inshallah. With love and Marakah, Chef Chano and Coach Murad.